everybody. For today, we'll be making a thosai with just two ingredients. One is green tea and wholemeal wheat flour. Let's see how I'll be making the thosai. To make this thosai, all you need is mung beans. The next ingredient you need to make this thosai is 1 cup of wholemeal wheat flour or Atta flour. As usual, you can get this at your nearby grocery shop or online. I have used half cup of mung beans. Let it soak for at least 4 to 5 hours. You can even let it soak overnight. This is our soaked green peas, guys. If you can see the difference before and after, right? So now we got to blend this well. Add 1 cup of wholemeal wheat flour or atta flour into this blended green pea paste. Mix it well. Make sure to add some water if you find this very concentrated. This must be in the right consistency to make a thosai. Add a teaspoon of salt. This thosai is so easy to make, right? So do try and let me know how do you feel after eating this thosai in the comment box below. And for the chutney, I have also added the link in the description box, like how did I do it. And just want to tell you guys that recipe for the chutney is from my grandma. So I hope you guys enjoy making both of it. See you soon with more delicious food or more healthier version of food soon. Bye guys.